Okay, welcome everyone. We are here today to talk about the Agility Insurance Project. So before we get started, we're going to go through visioning and go through the various activities to understand what this project is about. So thanks to everyone who's here. And I would like to maybe start with something important called team norms. Team norms are ground rules, meeting norms that we set for ourselves to stay on track without distraction or dysfunction. So as all of you right now are sort of doing a lot of different other things, what do you guys think are some common meeting distractions, dysfunctions that we'd like to protect ourselves from that you've been experiencing through other meetings?
How about electronics by exception?
Electronics by exception, what does that mean, Kelly?
Phones off or on vibrate?
So let's put that cell phone on vibrate. Please, can we all just put our cell phones on vibrate now together? We'll just do the ceremony. Yay, thank you, that's awesome.
What about laptops?
Laptops, as wonderful as this looks that everyone has a laptop, if you guys don't mind, during our collaborative sessions, we'd like you to put your laptops down. I know, I'm so sorry, it's okay. It's okay. We do say laptops by exception, so if you've got a production support issue or something that you really need to look at, let us know and we can use that, but we'll give you enough breaks to take care of that. But it's really important for collaboration that we're all together. So let's put electronics by exception. What else, you guys? Be respectful.
Yeah, like one conversation at a time.
One conversation at a time. I love that one.
How about being on time?
I like that one.
I really like that one.
Be on time.
How about end on time?
End on time. Be, and can I put that over here?
You can.
End on time. What else? What are other comments? Take notes, yes, okay. Take notes.
Stay focused on the topics.
Yes, please, as much as possible. And it will be okay if you start talking about something and it's off the topic, or maybe you're going into the details too early or something like that, we'll bring you back again. So stay. Do you guys think that actually happens quite a bit when we're doing requirements gathering, that we might want a solution too early as opposed to really just stick with what the problem is? Do you guys?
Definitely.
So what can we put up here to make sure that we focus on the not the solution, but focus on the actual problem that they have as opposed to the solution?
Do we have an agenda?
We do have an agenda, so stay on topic. Agenda, yep. And then focus on the what, not the how. Right? Focus on what they want, not the how. Very good. Do you ever experience in meetings where people sometimes think that everything is not going to work? So all these solutions are just not going to go well?
So like the art of positive?
The art of the positive, yes. I love, tell us about that.
Yeah.
Being open-minded. Concentrating on what's possible.
Yes. So concentrate on what's possible. It doesn't mean that you can't bring up concerns or this is not going to work. It just means that, okay, so how are we going to solve that problem? Okay, awesome. Well, thank you guys. That's awesome. These are all of our team norms. So as we're facilitating this session, don't be upset if we have to sort of hold ourselves accountable for the team norms. Okay, here's the purpose of our simulation. Provide a glimpse into how an Agile team goes through the Agile life cycle. And our very first part of our agenda is going to be visioning. So understanding from our product owner, from our sponsor, from our business user, what is this project about? What is it that we're trying to accomplish? What's the purpose of the project? And then we're going to go through and brainstorm the requirements. Now that we've visioned, what are the actual stories that we have to deliver here? Then we need to slice some of them down. So a lot of times we'll have stories, but they'll be epics. So they'll be too big to get down. So we'll slice them and break them down into smaller chunks, and then we're going to do non-functional requirements. This usually gets missed because people are always thinking of, here's the functional stories. These are the foundational, architectural, anything that we need to do to be on the right page. And then we're going to go through prioritizing, and then sizing and estimating, and then finally developing a plan. And then our next part of the agenda is actually going into the iteration itself and experiencing some of the activities. So let's get started with visioning.